Making a girl fall in love with you is not as simple as some people believe. Although it takes time to make a girl yours, there are a few things you should know before entering into a relationship or engaging with women. As a result, you'll be able to entice the girl of your dreams to fall in love with you. Even if you know how to impress a lady, it may be beneficial for you to be in charge and make her feel special all of the time. So, here are some pointers on how to make a girl fall in love with you for the rest of her life. 1. Never be too desperate. Women prefer to be with a man who can break the monotony of their daily routine. They want to be with a man who can take all of their mundane daily activities away from them. Instead of being this type of guy, you should avoid being desperate enough. Keep in mind that no woman wants to be with a desperate man. Simply adopt a lifestyle and attitude for yourself that attracts a woman, despite the appearance of sacrificing everything for a girl you hardly know. 2. Do not express your love too early. Doesn't this appear to be a contradiction? Yes, however, you should not express your love too soon, as this will not help you win her heart. You should use patience when expressing affection till she has complete faith in you. She must be maturing into you if she is unaware of your true feelings for her. Make certain you've raised some questions about her feelings. 3. Make her to miss you. You must, above all, allow her to miss you. Your absence would undoubtedly cause her to miss you and crave for your presence. This is the ideal time for her to realize how much she is changing into you and how much she wants to spend time with you. As a result, you should never make the mistake of tagging with her on occasion. She'd eventually fall for you and ask for you. 4. Create competition anxiety. Most guys, most of the time, utilize this as a weapon in their quest to seduce a girl. This would undoubtedly depict a woman's total lovey-dovey face. When you give the appearance that you have other options, as if other ladies are smitten with you, she will be even more drawn to you. Competition anxiety, on the other hand, not only attracts a woman to you, but also causes her to seduce you. As a result, you have a powerful opportunity to seize her and kindle her intense love for you. 5. Use reverse psychology. This method is used by a lot of people to get things done, but use it carefully. When you tell someone they can't have something, it makes it more difficult for them to get their hands on it. If you advise one of your girlfriends to approach her and tell her you're not good for her or difficult to get, trust us when we say she'll put in double the effort to get to know you better. 6. Try to be in great shape. You must be the sexiest in her eyes, and you must also look after your body. It makes no difference if you're competing with others. What counts is that you're getting in better shape for your cause and your health. Your masculinity not only attracts women, but it also inspires you to live an extraordinary and appealing lifestyle. You'd be thrown out of your comfort zone. When you work out, your girl will begin to wonder why you are suddenly improving in form, and her eyes will sparkle with delight. 7. The alpha female hack. When a lady sees you with another woman or a group of women, you become more desirable to her on autopilot. That's because she thinks you're in high demand, and she thinks she should get to know you as well. So, why don't you go out with your female friends and make her see how much attention you're getting from women? 8. Have an open body language. Women are attracted to your body language and how tall and confident you stand. It's a well-known fact. It acts as a natural magnet. Maintain an open body language at all times. That is, don't wall yourself off or slouch while standing. Stand wide and tall with an open stance. She'll be drawn to you right away. 9. The positive personality hack. Of course, this is self-evident. Will you choose someone with a fragile, gloomy demeanor or someone with a cheerful personality? Isn't the answer very self-evident? Similarly, women are drawn to guys who are intelligent, vivacious, and witty, and who never seem to be bored. Don't become morose or depressed when you're around her. She'll be delighted to be in your company.